Hey yo, hey yo. For the end of this video, the country want hey yo masquerade for the corner there.
Yeah.
Very beautiful video and not
Creative.
professionalism inside that particular video. Asha, but only second look say this chest where they see like this. They remind me of my own when I be like 70 years old. But anyway, which way, Asha, creatively done. Enough creativity, correct. Okay, now, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, onto our Ginger Monday. Like I talked just now, we always talk different things onto how we take inspire una, and of course, just ginger una person. Okay, but we get one small clip. We go show giving that before we go reveal our bros to come follow us gist all the gist inside the show today. Okay, so quickly more watch this one. By the time we come back, we go introduce our guest, and then the whole show go start proper.
Now, you know, like we agreed, we'll be discussing today how to handle failure successfully.
Sometimes failure, you go need to fail to succeed. Sometimes you need them to ginger yourself.
That's failure not be bad thing.
Okay.
Failure, why it is bad in itself, say make person fail. But make you know they see failure any longer after watching this show. Say failure on a bad thing. Because failure, they always, because you will never, read my lips, no man will ever succeed in life without failing. You got to understand that, as we don't talk at the beginning, say failure is next to success. Anybody will never fail before may not appreciate success.
So, but the man, like Oga the band story, the man will sit down for that place where you fall put, and I don't turn to ultimate failure.
Waiting they make people they succeed for life, be say they know they give up.
Okay.
Don't you ever give up. And you know the popular saying, you know, by one of these popular writers, John Maxwell, he said, quitters don't win and winners don't quit.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Ogadakpo Banjo in the building. The Banjo with us in the building. Welcome, sir.
Nice being here.
Yeah, so we appreciate your presence here again, sir. As usual, our Ginger Monday. With plenty wisdom to share for everybody for house. All right. So last week, we did talk about the issue of failure and how people could take, appreciate failing successfully.
Yes.
You know, and things that we're going to need to do. You know, to come they look failure from another angle. So nobody really say a bad thing. You know, so you go also need them to make progress for your life. You know, most of the time. We talk about three very important things. We say look inward, why you fail. You understand? We also talk about say make you plan to succeed the next time. And then finally we all talk say be ready to fail again. You understand? So when you don't get that particular be ready to fail again for mind, you go fit help you tackle failure if you come again for front. You go say, okay, now let's take approach because you don't already prepare yourself. Correct. So now the three things I want to talk about last week be this particular one. So this week now, like we talked last week, say we'll continue from where we stopped last week, just to talk one or two more things and join these points that we already put on how to handle failure successfully. All right, so Oga Dakpo Banjo, we could start now. From where we stopped last week now.
May we quick remind people where they watch us.
Okay.
Some things where we talk will be very foundational.
Okay.
Number one, failure is not a bad thing. It is part of life. It's something that you have to understand that whenever we come, whichever angle where the thing come, they ready, be strong. Not be failure when it happen to man life. It's any failure where man see for in life, not to make him strong. It's not to discourage him. Not be say the person go continue say I don't fail WAEC 2 times. I know the right time again. Now the first mistake where the person they make with that. Number 2 thing be say quitters don't win and winners don't quit. So those are foundational things where we don't establish. Yes. And according to the intro where you give, person will fail. Make a quick think. Why I fail. Yeah. Another thing be say prepare to succeed. And then the third thing be say expect say failure if it come again. Okay. Because I don't do them for exam before. Where the first time I read for house, I prepare very well. My brother they teach me small things as if I the exam. They come tell me say make I go register for lesson. I still go register for lesson, but waiting with me for lesson our friends. Day for year, we know that one come worse. I don't fail them. The third time. Now library I can't they go. Okay. I can't meet people with this serious minded. Because I don't write them a couple of times. I can't they expect say this time I go pass am. I can't put in more effort. I not too really pass am like that for the subject where they delay me. But at the end of the day, I can't still pass all the other subject where I don't they do before, pass them very well. Now so I take enter university.
Okay.
So anytime where failure they come, failure is something where God self know the verse for. God is not angry with failure. And God love people where they fail self. All the people where fail inside Bible, you go find out say God still do waiting. God still look for a way
to bring them back.
To bring them back. When Cain kill him brother Abel, what thing God do? God tell anybody will touch this guy, we don't kill him brother.
Yes.
Now me you they deal with it.
Yes.
You know, and like that, when Jacob and Esau, when enmity day, when them parents fail, when father try to like one, the mother like another one, can't create enmity between the children. What thing God do? God no kill them. God still give them opportunity to come back.
Yes.
That na God. You we can be man. Wait, now God create you. So you supposed to they see say anything where you they go through for life.
Yes.
God get hand from inside.
Okay.
If now failure you they record over time for the things where you do, just get that belief. Say one day you go succeed. Come check the history. People who didn't fail before. We kind attitude where then put up, and that will bring me to the fourth thing where I want us to see in addition to the first three.
Okay.
And that's be say after where you don't they expect say failure of it come again. The next thing where you supposed to do be say go and realize and say you know not be only you there, not be only you there inside this problem.
Okay.
You are not the first person where this thing go happen to, and you know go be the last person.
So you not new.
So you know new because by the time when you they tell your own story, say I don't fail this exam 3 times. You go meet another person who don't fail am 5 times, and you go they wonder. I remember what happened to me that time, and they say this chemistry they waste my time. Oh, if I don't go school now, chemistry they wait me. I can't meet one person. The time say my own are mathematics. Oh. He said, this is the 5th time. Where
Bam.
I can't look. I say, So
you said,
me when I say I've been 3 times.
You know,
I can't say, why you still they write this exam? Now I can't tell me, say, waiting I go do.
Yes.
If you know right time, you know go move forward now. So now to write time, I can't say, So my case, they even better.
Yes.
So most of the time, look around you. Because the thing where they encourage us now around us a day, the thing where they discourage us now around us a day.
Yes.
So the way where you they cease failure must change.
Okay.
Because when you look around you, you go just think say, you go just realize say, not be only you day. Because sometimes when we they fail for inside something, one spirit go they make you feel say you are the worst.
Yes.
Because something go they tell you say you are worth nothing. But that is not the way to handle failure successfully.
Okay.
Because anybody will go handle failure successfully, you supposed to come to a point. See, make I give you one example where they always talk for inside Bible.
Okay.
When God created the heaven and the earth, the Bible said the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep.
Yes.
Until verse 3 for that Genesis chapter 1, where God can talk say, let there be light before something happen.
Yes.
How God go do something and he go there the way where they describe him. He said it was null, it was void, and darkness was upon the face of the... I mean, you can imagine, until God can intervene. So most of the time, make you know they think from inside you say you know if you achieve something. The fact say you fail, not be only you don't fail. Other people don't fail and they don't move on.
Move on.
Bill Gates was a dropout from college.
True.
See where he day today.
True.
So many other stories where they around you where you don't know. Our parents, they give us this impression, this thing they funny. They go tell us, say, when I did secondary school, I'll be the best for class.
Yes.
Now, and they always confess. Later in the future, when they grow old, where they go tell us, say, make I tell you, my son, it's not easy. Failure na something where you're supposed to deal with. When I did secondary school, I failed well. I said, Daddy, how far now? How? Before when you, now ginger, it just won't make you succeed.
Yes.
So if they tell you, say, see, I did better for my days. So you got to always understand, say, not be only you there. So don't let other people or the things where they see around you, they affect you negatively. They make you feel, say, you be the worst person. Or that thing where happen to you now, the worst thing where happen to person be that. Some people, now when they fail, then go realize the purpose of God for their life. Because the angle where they go, safe, not be in the first place. That's why you fail.
That's why you fail.
So when you can't check around you and you can't see some other things, you can't say, maybe make a cuckoo change direction. Make I share this one with you. I get one cousin. He won't read because he dey live with us. He won't shall read, make him succeed. He won't read, make him succeed. But we can't find, he can't realize one time, say, even I say in head, he no fit catch book. Now so the guy can't decide, say, he go learn something. Now so the guy go learn for how to do furniture. Today, if I tell you the people where they make furnitures for, set is for all these things, now cheap things for my cousin when he won't make them. He go make them, you go think say they're important. He is so good, but we don't go school, we don't get BSc, we don't do everything, we don't get master.
Yes.
If you see the house where this my cousin don't build, you in fact, those of us we don't they work, we get master's degree, we don't they work since. We never build that kind of house. You understand? So sometimes failure they na high opener. They let you know, say, this not be the thing where you supposed do. Now like this you supposed do or not the thing where you supposed do it is. So that one too, it did very, very important.
Okay.
Very, very important.
So say failure, no be new thing.
Not be new thing.
No be you first fail. You understand? No be you first.
You not
fail,
go be the first, and you not go be the last.
So now how you take handle them, and I am more important. So because like your God, like what talk just now, say most times failure now eye opener.
Now eye opener.
You open your eye, show you the road, say, oh more, come look. But sometimes some people they look say failure because sometimes this failure thing, they carry some people reach where they don't try, so can't drop their self-esteem. They don't go one comfy try again.
You know what they drop people's self-esteem? Because as I talk then they look around.
Okay.
When you look around, you will see discouragement.
Okay.
At the same time, when you look around, you go see encouragement.
So where you look, now more important.
If you really want to have a positive attitude to failure,
yes.
Don't forget, say what they talk, be say handling failure successfully. So you go look around, you go say, because this person failed, does that mean say I have to fail? What of person we pass?
Okay.
What of person we don't move on? So you have to get that mentality. Say, number one, I don't check the thing will make me fail. Okay. I don't improve them. I they work on our plan, say make and then you can't plan, say you go day successful, the next time we go. And at the same time, you are not afraid of failing. People where they anything where you they fear the most, now it they happen to you.
Exactly.
So people where they are afraid of failure, now then they fail pass.
Can't come.
Now then they fail pass.
Yeah.
So develop a positive attitude towards everything where you they do.
Okay.
If na failure come out of them, no say na just for that moment. If you do them again, if you just stay successful.
Okay.
So when you look around you, having to look around you, not be say make you compare yourself to people who don't fail. Because if one spirit they tell you say make you they compare yourself with people who don't fail, say these people don't fail now, they don't give up. Make I don't fail, make I kuku give up
too.
Meanwhile, if you look around you at the same time, you go see people who don't fail before and they don't try again, they don't make and they don't move on.
Yes.
So the choice now your own.
Your own at the end of the day.
The choice now your own.
All right, so the choice larger than your own. If you look around you, go see things that will go discourage you. If you also look around you, go see things that will go encourage you. Just remind me of what happened for even for the same Bible when Bros J, when Jesus said make Peter come out from make a walk out on top water cup. So Peter don't stroll on top of the water they come. Let's see, he can't look. You can't see water everywhere.
Bible says he saw the wind boisterous.
Exactly.
Fear come.
Fear can't enter in body.
And you know say fear an enemy of faith.
Yes.
Bad enemy.
Yes. Now that the real enemy be that one. So from there can they sink and you go look and say, oh ye men of little faith. Yeah, you show. So if you look around you, if you decide to take distraction or fear or things that will discourage you, you know go move forward. But at the same time, look around you for things that will go encourage
see people
you.
like you.
Yes,
we don't make them.
Yes,
we
go ginger you to move forward.
So choose success. Okay. Because I mean, even in the Bible say, behold today, I lay before you death and life.
Choose one.
Choose life so that you can live.
Yes.
But now your choice, I don't go force anyone.
Self-will.
I don't go force anything down your throat. So after when you don't consider that particular one now, they can say, okay, I don't look around, I don't say how people can't go meet them. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Ask questions. Go meet it because if you meet the choice now, so the one way I don't want to talk about be say decide what you now want.
Okay.
Because if you don't take that decision, you no go continue.
Okay.
We're going to continue.
We're going to just match break here so that we will just establish on that one way. We won't talk one new thing today, but I say this particular topic we still need to brush on and wear before we come out inside the whole thing finish. But quickly, we'll just take this small break. By the time we come back from this break, we'll continue on top that side. We'll talk about deciding now for the next things that we'll do. All right. So quickly, we'll come back now. If you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.